Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 13C question 1, and in this video I'm going to do parts A and C. So far we have integrated different expressions and we always added a constant term to that expression at the end, the C term. And some of you might have not convinced yet about the reason that we just put a C and then just continue without doing anything else. And if you remember, I have told you that if we learn other sections, when we were doing the first section, I said that these are going to make more sense. And this is one of the sections that is going to help you a lot to understand the role of C and what can you do with that. So this exercise is all about finding that C value, because in many cases you can find that C value, and instead of leaving that in the form the function plus C, you can actually write down the actual value of C. So let's start with the first one, which we have dy by dx. So it's just a derivative of a function is equal to 3x squared plus 2x. So we first integrate this derivative to find an expression for the function. So we want to integrate 3x squared plus 2x dx. So this is equal to, the integral is equal to x cubed plus x squared plus c, right? So this is the integral. Now, this can be rewritten as y is equal to x cubed plus x squared plus c, because if you look at here, we have dy by dx. So that means the subject of the function is just y, and then that is written in terms of x. Okay, so at this point, in order to find the value of c, we just simply substitute the points into the equation, and then we can find the value of c. So here, the thing that you should learn is that if you want to find the value of c, there must be a point so you can substitute and find the value of c. Otherwise, you can't really do that, except maybe some exceptions that, again, it just depends on the question. But yeah, for these types of questions, you just need to have the point in order to find the value of c. So we just substitute that into this equation. So we have 10 is equal to 2 cubed, which is 2 cubed plus 2 squared plus c. And yeah, so this is how we can find c. So this is equal to 8 plus 4 plus c, and c is equal to minus 2. So this means the function is basically y is equal to x cubed plus x squared minus 2. So this is the function. Right, now let's do part C. Okay, so for part C, dy by dx is equal to root x plus fourth of x squared. So first we write dy by dx in the form x to the power of n before integrating that. So root x is x to the power of half, and now we can integrate this. So the integral of x to the power of a half plus fourth of x squared dx. So for the first term, the power becomes 3 over 2, and then we divide this by 1 over 2, which basically gives us 2. And here we get 1, here we get, so x cubed and over 12 plus c. So now that we have the integral, we are at a position to find a value of c. So it's not a very nice function. So we have y is equal to 2x 3 over 2 plus x cubed over 12 plus c, and now we just substitute the points. Sorry, I made a mistake here. So basically 2x to the power of 3 over 2, when we integrate x to the power of half, here we should get 2 over 3 x to the power of 3 over 2. So here is 2 over 3. Okay, now we just substitute 11 is equal to 2 over 3 times 4 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 8, sorry, plus, I mean, 4 cubed over 12 plus c. Yeah, so if you solve this, you are going to get 1 over 3 for the value of c. So the equation is going to be 2 over 3x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 12x cubed plus a third. And yeah, so that's the equation.